Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to review the usage of the continue keyword and we are going to learn about the go-to keyword. So we would like to write a program that asks a user for a positive number. If the user enters -1, we would like to terminate the program, and if the user enters any negative number, we would like to let the user know that negative numbers are not allowed and let the user continue entering the number. So this program is going to continue until the user enters -1. To do that, we declare an integer variable. Then we show the user saying that enter a positive number and -1 to terminate the program. So we are going to define a while loop, which is an infinite one in this case here, because the condition is true. And then as long as the user is not entering -1, this while loop is going to repeat because it is an infinite while loop. Why? Because within the parentheses, the condition is true. So we read the number from the user. We check if the number equals -1 or not. If the number equals -1, it is going to use the go-to keyword and it is going to jump to end. Where is end? End is here. Okay, so it is going to escape all these parts and it's going to jump here and print program terminated. So this is how the go-to keyword will work. And in case the num is lower than 0, it is going to print out negative numbers are not allowed, and then continue. When it continues, it means that do nothing, escape, and since there is an infinite while loop, it is going back up again, and let the user choose another number and then check if it's -1 or not, etc. So let me just run the code. I would say 20. It says you enter 20, 15, 17, 18, whatever, 20, -20. When I say -20, it says numbers are not allowed, exactly like here. And then I am allowed to write another number like 21. Okay, this is going to continue until the end of the word unless I enter -1. When I enter -1, program terminated. So when I enter -1, it is going to jump to the end and then write it here. We could also use the break function here. We could simply mention if this happened, break the program. Usually when we are having different situations, we are going to use different keywords. In this case, we wanted to practice goto, but as we mentioned earlier, there are different ways to execute one program. It depends on your taste, what you would like to do with your code, how efficient and readable your code you think you might be by using one keyword or another. So it depends on you, but this was a review of the continue keyword and also the usage of the go-to keyword. So please go ahead and practice. And while you are doing different coding practices throughout this course, think about the places that you may be able to use break keyword, continue keyword, or go-to keyword. They are very useful. Try to practice them. So basically, when you practice, you will get used to using them where necessary. Thank you for watching.